So what's the rush? The night is young and we not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I feel, cause I get buff. You told me your new man don't make you miss it. And I'm saying, you come here, I knock you off the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane? Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne? Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
As we wind down for the night, it's time to cook some dinner. And you guys know I love saving my HelloFresh for busy days because one, it takes the guessing out of my cooking. I know exactly what I'm making. It's easy to follow. The ingredients are fresh and tasty. And it also saves me a trip to the grocery store, which we know one less thing on the to-do list is just golden to me. And also a quick update, my code has changed. So go to HelloFresh.com and use code 50 Kaila Cake at checkout for 50% off plus free shipping. If you want nice, easy meals delivered straight to your door, no hassle, no guessing games, no wasting of the groceries, nothing like that. Just simple, easy, healthy eating. With one of my busiest seasons coming up, the fall, I tend to kind of slack on my eating, and I feel like HelloFresh is helping me stay on track with the nice, healthy, and wholesome meals. I feel like this is also really good for back to school season for any parents out there. I will admit, I'm a takeout girl. I'm a busy girl as well. So usually when I have a busy day or I'm just not feeling it, I always go towards takeout. But the one thing about takeout, it adds up. And HelloFresh is actually about 25% cheaper than takeout. And it's also pretty quick too. So even if you don't have enough time, you can still make a nice, balanced, healthy meal. Overall, the ramen was really good. I'm not used to eating tofu, but with everything together, it was actually pretty tasty. So again, if you're interested, go to HelloFresh.com and use code 50 Kaila Cake at checkout for 50% off plus free shipping. Water in a wine glass to make me feel a little more fancy, you know, just add a little razzle dazzle. And I feel like water just tastes better in a wine glass. What you think? But yeah, so today was really good. Oh my god, my wall is cracking. Anyway, today was really good. It was very productive. So I wanted to have kind of more of like a chill night routine tonight. Sometimes I feel like we can forget to reward ourselves with a very relaxing night because we do all this stuff during the day, productive, and you want to just end the day productive. But it's like sometimes you might just need a nice little chill pill, a nice little moment of a nice little moment of me time when your dishwasher is not screaming at you. And you know, sometimes you just really need that. And tonight I definitely needed that because I've been going hard all week and I just felt like I need some time to sit down and relax. I still handle business, you know, put the dishes away, like clean the house, get it ready for tomorrow morning. But at some point it's just like, girl, sit down and relax. You enjoy a little Netflix time. I've been watching SWAT on Netflix and I am almost done. Like I binged it so fast. And then next after that I'm gonna watch The Chi. I have not watched The Chi, y'all. I know it's crazy, but I'm gonna watch The Chi, and then after that I can't remember. My sister gave me a whole list. She told me what I need to be watching. So if y'all want to add to the list, comment down below your favorite show on Netflix or honestly any streaming platform. I got it all. So let me know what I should be watching. I really do think it's important to have some me time at any point in your day if you can. Like even if it's like 1 or 2 minutes or just 5 minutes, like, you know, if you have a busy lifestyle, if you're a mom, if you just anything, just any amount of time, literally it could be 2 minutes that I just sit there and breathe and just, you know, I feel like it helps me unwind at night, and I also feel like I sleep better.
it.